Engaging Live, njengoba ngisho social media siyatholakala. Go to TikTok, find Engaging Live, just search Engaging Live, you find us there. Ubese uya YouTube, More Zion Music, just search More Zion Music, you will find us, the segments, all the segments are 12. On Thursday, one radio, 6 to 9, Sound of Azania, Engaging Live, 6 to 9, it's online radio. I-link ye-radio, izoyishare uJupiter, kuma-links ethu lapha, YouTube uzoyishare link how to get to the radio on Thursday. But now, besiphethe abantwana abancane earlier, now we pet teens, yabo sihamba kancane nje singena kuma-teens, siphethe i-teenager la, izosisho ukuthi ubani igama nesibongo. Bese asitshele ukuthi iservice namhlanje beyinjani for yena, yabo? Bese futhi uyasitshela ukuthi yini oyifundile namhlanje kuSemo.
Igama lami uSiphiwe Hlabathi. So namhlanje esifashile umfundisi Ntumwa service namhlanje umoya engcwele phakathi kwethu la eTsakane. Sibonga futhi nawo baba waseBSC. Ngikwazi sibonga.
Yes. So another question ukuthi ufundeni namhlanje, what did you learn today? kuSemo yini oyifundile kuSemo?
Engifundile namhlanje ukuthi akumelanga sibe lazy entweni zakaNkulunkulu, kumele always sibe khona into esiyenzayo eyenzakalayo nje sifake isandla.
Wena mongathi basithi ufake isandla, yini oyenzayo esontweni? Usiza ngani esontweni? As young as you are, yini osiza ngayo? Ngokubona uphume emotweni, yini osiza ngayo? Namhlanje usize ngani?
So mina namhlanje size ngokuthi earlier njengayizolo ningeza la ngazonceda ubaba ngokufaka isound bese nganceda umama ngezinto ezibekazidinga, ukufaka itofu, lezo zinto lezo.
You've done a lot, you have done a good job. Yabona lokho okuncane uthi ubona ngathi ukwenzile, it's big, because look at khona thina namhlanje ngenxa yesandla sakho sifakele. uNkulunkulu akusize, always usiza ubaba wakho, always la akudinga khona, be available, ufake isandla, yabo? And ubize nabanye ukuthi bafethu sabe sosiza lapho ubaba uyafuna sisize kunento, ubize nabanye, ungahambi uyi-one nje, wabize bona labafana bala ukuthi ozani izosiza. Lokho kwenza uNkulunkulu ufake isibusiso esikhulu kuwe, yabona, ukuthi ukhule kahle. Yabona, ukukhula kahle into isibusiso esikhulu leso uNkulunkulu azokunika sona. Engaging Live, njengoba ngisho, teens are here, sisasekhona endaweni esigameko. The service was just on another level. iSemo nje mina ngazi ngiwe kangaka esitulweni ngavuka ngawa, ngathi ngithi umoya ongcwele ungibambile. Imile nje indaba ye-local church sibambe lapho nje ukuthi nenzani esontweni la local. Do you go to a community and add value to it? It's all that. Sibambe nje iSemo nimbe kanjalo. Stay tuned, siseza futhi. Engaging Live, where life matters.